Paella pans are made out of thin conductive metal that cooks all your ingredients at the same time. The shape of the pan evenly evaporates the liquids as you cook your rice, creating the most delicious aromas and textures. Here at Machika, we offer two main types of paella pans in multiple sizes. Carbon steel paellas are the traditional pans used in Spain. They have a slight advantage in how fast they heat up and cool down. Some experts even say that the exposed metal adds a desirable flavor to the paella through the suckerats, or the toasted rice at the bottom of the pan. Taking care of the delicate metal is the only downside to these beautiful steel pans. But don't worry, we have plenty of resources on our website. Enameled steel paellas are made out of the same carbon steel, but have been coated in black enamel. This coat prevents rusting and creates for a much easier cleanup. Be delicate when storing your pan. Too much banging might cause the enamel coating to chip. This risk, however, would only affect the pan's appearance and not its performance. To choose the size of the pan that you need, we have to look at how much rice you want to cook, how many servings you need, and where you want to cook your paella. There is a famous Spanish saying that says, "Where four can eat, so can five." Paella pans are very flexible when it comes to servings, as long as the cook knows how to adapt. But the rule of thumb is, the more rice you want, the larger the pan you need. Play around with your servings, but don't stretch it more than 2. This is our largest pan, measuring 28 inches or 70 centimeters. It serves around 25 people and is perfect for feeding a large party. Because of the large size of this one, you need a paella burner to heat it up. But if you're looking for something smaller, our 18-inch or 46 centimeter pan is perfect for an intimate gathering, serving about 12 people. We even have a smaller paella pan that is 10 inches or 26 centimeters and serves roughly 2 people. Perfect for any stove or oven. Take it from me, when you cook a paella, everyone will want to plate. So have fun with it. Enjoy every bit of the process. Imagine the infinite possibilities of delicious foods you can create with your own Machika paella pan.